In this video, we will be isolating a variable in multiple steps. Brady wants to start a dog walking business. He decides to charge $11 for his first walk, but then he realizes that he should lower the cost to $6 for each additional walk after the first. If he earns $102 in his first week, after deducting $17 for transportation costs, how many additional walks did Brady go on? Let W equal the amount of additional walks Brady went on this week. First, we want to find the total amount of money Brady earned from walking dogs. Write an expression for the fact that Brady's first walk cost $11 and every additional walk was $6 each. That's right, one $11 walk plus $6 for every W walks that week. From this sum of money he earns, he deducts $17 because of transportation to have a total of $102. Write an expression to find W. Yes, the total amount of money earned minus the amount of money we had to spend for our business equals our total earnings for the week. So our equation looks like this. Now we want to solve the equation for W. What is our first step? We are working on getting rid of everything outside of the parentheses to open the parentheses up. It's like doing the order of operations backwards to find a number in the problem. Similarly, we will add 17 to both sides as the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. Now we are left with this. Right now, this equation shows that the total amount of money Brady earned this week, without taking into account business expenses, is $119. How many additional walks did Brady take this week? We subtract 11 from both sides, canceling the 11 on the left, and on the right, we have 119 minus 11, which is 108. Dividing 6 on both sides, we get a final answer of 18 additional walks. Including the first walk that costed $11, Brady took 19 walks in total that week. Now, let's look at another problem. Brady goes to his chemistry lab class to do an experiment on the density of aluminum. Through the lab, he concluded that the density of aluminum is 2.75 grams per cubic centimeter. But his teacher told him he has a 12.2% error. Let A represent the actual density. If we want to find the actual density of aluminum, use this formula to write an equation. Exactly. A represents the actual. 2.75 minus the actual, all over the actual, times 100 equals to the 12.2% error. What is the actual density of aluminum? This one's a bit tricky. We divide each side by 100 first to get 2.75 minus A over A equals 0.122. We may think that we can't solve this any further, but we can multiply both sides by A to get rid of the A on the right side and give it a coefficient on the left. It's important to remember that variables are a placeholder for numbers, so whatever we can do with numbers, we can do it with variables too. Now, our equation looks like this. We have finally broken into the parentheses. Let's just add A, or 1A, to both sides to cancel it on the left, and on the right, 0.122A plus 1A is 1.122A. Lastly, we divide both sides by 1.122 to get a final answer of 2.45 grams per cubic centimeters as the actual density of aluminum.